In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the cart icon from the header in Shopify. This can be incredibly useful if you're setting up a website where you want to minimize distractions or if your business model doesn't require a traditional e-commerce setup. Now, before we dive in, it's important to remember that making changes to your Shopify theme requires a bit of care. Always ensure you have a backup of your theme before making any adjustments. This way, if something goes wrong, you'll have a safety net to fall back on. To start, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to the Online Store section on the left-hand navigation panel. Click on it, and you'll see various options related to your store's appearance. In this section, you'll find Themes right at the top. Next, you'll want to access the theme code. To do that, find the Actions button, which is typically located next to your current theme. Clicking on this button will give you a drop-down menu, and from here, select Edit Code. Once you're in the code editor, you'll see a multitude of theme files. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, we're only concerned with a specific file today. Now, what you're looking for is the header.liquid file. This file contains the code for your theme's header section, and it's where the cart icon is usually coded. You can find this file under the Sections or Snippets directory. This varies depending on your theme setup. Once you've located and opened the header.liquid file, you'll need to search for the part of the code that relates to the cart icon. This might look different depending on your theme, but it generally involves code snippets that mention terms like cart or shopping cart. When you find the section of code responsible for rendering the cart icon, you'll want to delete or comment it out. Commenting out is often safer for beginners, as it allows you to easily restore the code later if needed. To comment out a line in Liquid, simply wrap it in curly braces and percentage signs like this: comment your code here, end comment. Once you've made the changes, don't forget to save your work. After saving, preview your changes by opening your store in a new browser tab, ideally in incognito mode, to ensure any cached versions don't cause display issues. If, after checking, you find that the cart icon has been successfully removed from the header, congratulations! You've made your first theme modification. Remember, if something doesn't look right, you can always revisit the code editor, check your comments, or restore from your backup. Should you encounter any problems, Shopify's community and help center are great resources for support. And there you have it. Removing the cart icon from the header in Shopify can help give your store a fresh, clean look tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.